in one variable and which are not. State reasons for your answer. See the first one. It is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Okay. Uh, 7 can be written as 7x raised to 0. We know that anything which is raised to 0 is what? 1. So ultimately when we solve this, 7x raised to 0, we are writing 7 into 1 and that is 7. That means what? This 7 can be written as 7x raised to 0. So this is what we are going to write here. Four x square minus 3x plus 7x raised to 0. Okay, now what we have to see, whether it's a polynomial or not and how many variables are used here. Of course this is a polynomial, there's no problem at all. Yes, it is a polynomial, no problem. And how many variables are used? It is in one variable, so we'll just write it down. One variable. And what is that variable? Basically x. So this is the first question. Now let us solve the second question. Y square plus root 2. No issues on this. Let us solve this equation, polynomial. Y square root 2, I can write like this, no problem. Yes, of course it is a polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial, and variable used is one variable, and that is y. I hope you have understood the sum. Let us solve question number 3. 3 root t plus t root 2. Now this equation can be this polynomial can be written as t. See, root Question number 4 is homework. Question number 5 is also homework. Okay, let me know if you have any difficulty in the comment section. I'll explain question number 2 and then we'll move. Now let us solve question 2, that is write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. Let us see the first one. 2 plus x square plus x. Okay, you have to write down the coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x square is here. This is x square, and coefficient is, in this case it is x square and nothing is written, that means it is 1. Okay, so the coefficient of x square is 1. So how you are going to write this? I'm going to write it for 1 and then you can write it for the others as well. The coefficient of x square is 1. This is your answer. Let us see the second one. 2 minus x square plus x cube. We are still dealing with x square only, and as you can see, the coefficient of x square is, keep that thing in mind, it is minus and it is 1 over here, so the answer is minus 1. See the third question. Pi x square plus x. The coefficient of x square, that means what? The coefficient of x square is what? Pi upon 2. So this is the answer. Let us see the fourth one. Root 2 x minus 1. The coefficient of x square. X square is not given only, so what we can do, we can actually rearrange it something like this. 0 into x square plus root 2x minus 1. Now we have the coefficient here. Now we have the coefficient of x square, and that is what? 0. So the answer is 0. Now this is what, give one example each of a binomial of degree 35 and a monomial of degree 100. Very simple question. They want the example, so let us quickly do that. They want a binomial, that means two terms should be there. So, and the degree is 35, very simple. So x is 35. If you want, you can put any coefficient. Let me put 3 over here, and any constant variable will do. Let me write down 15 over here. So this is the example for the first one. And now they want a monomial of degree 100. So let us take the variable, let's say y, and it is 100, and it's a monomial. Of course it's a monomial. If you want, you can put something like this. No issues on that. So this is done. Write the degree of each of the following polynomials. This is again a very simple question. So the first question says that 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x, and we want to write down the degree of the polynomial. Okay, so the highest degree is what? Highest degree I can see is the highest degree of x is 3, and the degree of polynomial, of course it's a polynomial, the degree of the polynomial is, oops, so sorry for that, is 3. So this is the format you are going to follow for solving. Okay, now we are going to solve question number 5, first one, and it says that classify the following as linear, quadratic, and cubic polynomials. If you remember, these all are on the basis of degree, okay, not terms. Very simple. It is x square plus x, no problem. The degree is what? Degree is 2, and we know that it's a quadratic polynomial. Okay, I am writing in short because the video is almost like 22 minutes now, so but you write down properly. First I'll write it down for you. You need to follow the pattern. Fine. Question number 2 is x minus x cube. This is again, degree is 3, and hence 3 means what? It's cubic. Basically we are going to deal with linear, quadratic and cubic. Okay, y plus y square plus 4, degree is 2, and when it is 2 it is quadratic. Question number 4, it is 1 plus x. 1 plus x, degree is obviously, see here, degree is 1. Okay, so degree is 1 and it is linear. Question number 5, 3t, degree is 1. जस्ट रिमेंबर, अगर कुछ नहीं होता है तो यहाँ पे 1 होता है एंड ये वापस से लीनियर है. 6 क्या है? 7x क्यूब, डिग्री है 3 एंड ये क्यूबिक है, ध्यान रहे. That's it, we have completed question number 5 and there's a surprise for you. Yeah, this is the surprise. You are going to give a test now. Time is 15 minutes. Make sure that you write down all the questions and click the photograph and send it to me on my email address, and that is centurionclasses02@gmail.com. Okay, be honest while solving the paper. Answer key will be sent after you submit your paper. Okay, so make sure that when you submit your paper, then only I'm going to provide you with the answer key and you know the email address. Thank you, students. This is it. I hope you have understood the chapter. This is just the beginning of this chapter. I hope you have enjoyed learning like this. I'll try my level best to bring you the latest and the most innovative ways of teaching with all the animations, and try to be like creative so that you can understand the topic and the concept. Okay, thank you so much, and if you have liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe the channel, and you know the email address, the website and the contact number.